Okay, I'm recording it now. Hey, everyone, please go on mute.
Rishi.
Okay, everyone, can someone confirm if you can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Not yet.
Okay, go on mute, please.
इधर चेक कर लो ना दिख रहा है कि नहीं.
Yes, someone confirmed. Okay, all right, here we go.
Happy birthday, dear Shraddha. May God bless you, live you a long life, happy life. We are proud of you and love a lot. You are a unique and charming personality. You have a positive, creative, cooperative and caring personality. For all friends and family, stay fit and blessed forever.
Hi Shraddha, wish you a very happy birthday Shraddha. I am proud of you. You are very creative and best planner and manager of arrange the party. I am proud of you. God bless you. Okay.
Alexa, say happy birthday to Shraddha Masi.
Singing happy birthday to Shraddha Masi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you.
You know that? I love this. It's an ear covering thing. You know? That's why I wear it. Happy birthday. Oh, my mom's coming. She's going to record something.
Happy birthday, Shraddha. Hope you're having a good time. 40, it's a big milestone, and welcome to the club. I have known Shraddha for almost now 10 years from a time from Visa, and we have grown over the period of time a lot. Our cycles of getting a job, having a baby, hasn't been matched so accurately. One thing which I love about Shraddha is she is such an awesome person to work with, but as also a person to be around. She's an amazing host. So please keep on inviting us for all the amazing parties that you organize. We are happy to be part of you and your family. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day, enjoy your time, and best wishes.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Shraddha, happy birthday dear Romy. Hugs and kisses. For all the years I have missed wishing you, but you are always in my thoughts and in my heart. There are many things, way too many things I want to talk about, as it was really long, almost 10 years, and I'm at loss of words, rather I should say. So when I think about it today, it feels like end of an era. From being kiddish ourselves to raising our kids. I want to talk about all those things. There's silly stuff I am doing. I don't know who to talk about,
That's okay.
who to confide
That's
into.
all.
You were the guys for me, but then we were not in touch. So really miss you guys. Cap नहीं दिख रहा देखो भाई मेरा cap भी लगाया मैंने. So this decoration all for you only. Now coming back again to your birthday wish. Celebrate getting to 40 as you anticipate the new years, coming years. At 20 years of age, it's newfound freedom. At 30, it's the wind. And at 40, it's the judgment. So don't be scared that you're getting old. You're just getting better. Something you may want to have. So when I was celebrating my 40th birthday, so I was like, what next? So am I old enough? So then I read a lot of things, and one thing which stuck with me, and I've been wishing everyone who's having 40th birthday the same thing and telling the same thing. So if you're celebrating your 40th birthday, that means you are entering to prime of your earning potential, and at the same time, peace of mind. So at large, you will be happy. That is the best phase of your life. Enjoy it completely. And before I sign off and before I end, congratulations to you for 4 decades of sheer Shraddha. So before I sign off, I have one more question also. So do you still brush your teeth after breakfast? Do let me know. Bye.
I do.
Happy birthday.
Oh, everywhere.
Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day.
The same in
Hello Dee, happy second 20th birthday. Hope you have a great day.
That sounds better.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shraddha. चल तेरे birthday पे मैं I don't want to use F word but happy 39.999
The best
birthday.
effort ever.
चल hope you have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Here.
From
Okay.
her to
Okay. चल इसके बाद आर्य की तरफ से एक स्पेशल मैसेज है.
Alright, let's go.
She looks cute.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Shraddha. Wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday. I can't wait for COVID to get over so we can all celebrate in person.
Happy birthday, Shraddha. In 5 years from now, you can wish me a happy 40th as well. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Surprised. Wish you a very happy birthday, Shraddha. Hope you have a wonderful day and year ahead. Sanju, I'm sure Sanju is putting a lot of effort in making this special. I hope you will love it. A few things I would like to add today is जब भी मैं और राधिका आपस में बात करते हैं पहले ऋषि के साथ भी करते थे कि देख लो तुम्हारी श्रद्धा है and we say to each other श्रद्धा तो संजू की है and we always have a laugh on this one and other good memory I have is जब तुम लोग सेटल हो गए थे सेक्टर 16 में I think you guys were renting and तुम लोगों ने मुझे और ऋषि को बुलाया था I was not sure I'm not sure I can't remember कि सैंडी था नहीं but we had a lot of beer and that night, and तुमने बहुत बढ़िया भिंडी बनाई थी, and I never saw somebody एक peel अलग करते हुए, layer अलग करते हुए भिंडी की. That was the best भिंडी I have. And hopefully we'll catch up soon sometime, maybe in US or you guys come to Australia. Happy birthday once again. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you. Sorry. Did you say something, baby? Say.
Thanks, you're looking very nice and beautiful, and thank you for giving me my police card. Thank you, baby.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Shraddha. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you with a lot of happiness, love always. Have a wonderful day, Shraddha.
Hey Shraddha, happy birthday! A very special 40th birthday. I'm sure Sanju will make sure that you enjoy and be happy and drive safe. Thanks.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Shraddha. I can't believe it. It's been 10 years since I last saw you. So I met you on your last milestone birthday, and here we are at your next milestone birthday. Gosh, it's been long. I hope this turns out to be the best year in your life. Love you so much and wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Hi Shraddha, wish you a very happy birthday. Yeah, it's been almost 10 years, so yeah, you've been doing pretty well.
How did you reach it?
We'll continue to do well. God bless you. Thanks, bye.
Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Oh my God.
Sanjeev told me it's your 40th. I can't believe that. You look nowhere close to that number. Trust me. Just letting you know that I've always been very amused by your adventurous nature, from learning automation back in those days when we were in Fidelity, to your hiking, biking, etc. Superb. Well done. Enjoy your birthday. Have a wonderful time. Happy birthday, Shraddha. Wish you a lot of happiness, good health and fortune on your birthday. And you know what? This is what 40 and fabulous feels like.
Oh no, now.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy 40th.
Happy 40th birthday, Shraddha. It's your milestone birthday, so many, many happy returns of the day. Wish you a lot of happiness and a lot of love. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Shraddha Masi.
Hi Bhabhi, wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you a lots of success and good health. Lots of love to all of you.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to my gorgeous sister. Oh, I still have those happy and fresh memories of going to Atta Market, your driving, doing lots of shopping, eating aloo tikki and momos. Oh, I was lucky to know you, and I'm thankful to the testing team to give me a sister like you so that I can cherish this relationship forever.
Hang on a second. We cannot see the screen.
We have lost your screen.
Okay, I'm working on it. Okay.
Share screen.
Share screen.
Desktop one.
Share. Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Somehow the audio doesn't work when I do that. Okay.
audio here?
No, it's okay.
Love you and happy birthday again.
Hey Shraddha, happy birthday. You are the same gorgeous, strong and amazing woman. Hope you are having a wonderful day.
Hey Shraddha, happy birthday. You are the best party host ever we have known, and we really miss the canteen trip and parties you guys. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Shraddha. Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy the day.
It's okay.
And take at least 40 gifts from Sanju. And Emma, last.
Hi Shraddha, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday.
Got to know that you are turning 40. This is a milestone. I also turned 40 this year. So all the best for the next 40 and for the next 40. And may God bless you and you achieve whatever
Stay
you want
happy.
to achieve in life. And God bless.
Bye. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you.
So lovely, Shraddha auntie.
We're happy to have you in our life.
May you and your to live forever.
Happy birthday!
Alexa, say happy birthday to Shraddha Bhabhi.
Sorry, I don't know that. This is a happy birthday number. You want to open it?
Yes. Happy birthday, Bhabhi. Stay blessed, stay happy.
Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have enjoyed your special birthday in a very special way. And may God bless you. I just want to tell you one thing that even though this is a special one, but it's just a number. Don't be scared of this increasing number. Enjoy your life as much as possible. You're a very happy person, so stay like that. Enjoy your life as you always do. Again, happy birthday.
Dear Shraddha,
Happy
40th
birthday! Jodi Shangri Kwai Jodi Shangri Kwai Jodi Shangri Kwai Jodi Shangri Kwai
Happy birthday, Shraddha Mansi.
Happy birthday. Hey, pretty lady on the floor. Welcome to this side of 40s. Red lips, red nail paint, red snail toes. Butter soft skin. Big eyes, small waist. Extremely fit, yet curvaceous. Amazing hostess, amazing heart, amazing mind, amazing creativity. The always get set ready mode. Let's get it done attitude. Fun seeker with a big heart. अरे यार 40s तेरा क्या बिगाड़ लेंगे? 40s will be happy to have you on their side. For people will no longer be scared to turn 40 after seeing you. Really. Happy birthday, Robert. आप स्त्री ही नहीं, आप महास्त्री हैं. महा.
Hi Shraddha, happy birthday, have fun, be as you are, keep enjoying life. Thank you.
Hi Shraddha, wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday. As they popularly say, naughty at 40. You already have been so naughty. I really don't know what you want to achieve next. But I'm definitely sure you're going to make the 40s the new 30s. So wish you a very happy birthday. I've been able to keep this video small because Shruti is not along with me. So wishing you a very happy birthday from Bangalore. All the best.
Hey Shraddha and happy birthday from all of us. Happy birthday. Well, we can't surprise you in person, but we want to surprise with a video. There's a beautiful Christmas tree at the back here. So all the good vibes to you, all the love and hugs from all of us. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Shraddha. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday Happy birthday to you.
Or may God bless you and you have a healthy life, enjoy, and we hope we meet soon to celebrate your birthday.
Yes, and many, many happy returns of the day.
Yes, bye. Enjoy.
Enjoy your day.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. So you have entered 40s now.
4 साल में बताती हूँ तुझे.
I really miss you guys so much. You, Sanju, Dhaval, Manchita. I remember what a wonderful time we used to have in Faridabad and living in that house in Sector 16. We all used to go for movies, parties, and shopping. And you always helped me in shopping days. So you were a very good companion. And I am really impressed by the way how you are raising Fiona. You're making a creator just like you. So you're doing a wonderful job managing each and everything so perfectly. So still, I learn so many things from you. Still, I try to copy so many things from you. Like the way you set up your house, the way you keep things. It is really great. So I know these days we don't get to talk much, but I understand that your routine is very tight. You have to do everything on your own and you don't have any help in America. So, but hopefully we get to give lots of love to you. Always keep smiling, stay healthy, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Happy birthday, Shraddha.
May God bless you. Your all dreams become beautiful realities. You are taking 40. May God bless you. Have a healthy, wealthy life.
Great. Yeah, I still remember those days when outside of your college hostel, okay, Sanju was trying to give you some cards and the gifts. It was all good memories. Great. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday once again.
Enjoy your life. Take care.
Bye.
Have a blast. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shraddha auntie. Age only matters if you're wine. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shraddha madam. See, we got all decked up for your birthday. Here's the cake. Come on, blow the candle. Happy 40th birthday. 40th birthday बार बार नहीं आता है. So it has to be very special. And hope Sanju and Simona are making it very special for you. And I know you're going to get more and more gorgeous. And this 40th birthday is nothing but getting more and more younger every day. So love you loads. Happy 40th birthday. Bye.
happy 40th. I'm supposed to say a few words. How about some facts, some cool facts, some fun facts, and some other facts. So fact number one, you're the best thing that happened to me. And since I said that on camera now, let's not share this video to Fiona ever. Fact number two, the first time I met you almost 20 years ago, you were 20 something, and you were the most incredible girl that I ever met. Fast forward 20 years, and you're still the most incredible girl that I ever met. How about that? Fact number three, you're a multi-talented person professionally and outside of work. Your skills at art and crafts, gardening, painting, and I know I'm missing like 100 of other things that you do. Still amazes me. And then now Fiona is the biggest fan of you than I am. And that's just the indoor stuff. For the outdoor stuff, you are one happy hiker, biker, camper, and virtually anything outdoors. I still remember learning a few tricks from you when we started skiing for the first time. Now, the other facts. You are a very strong-minded individual and very independent. I can think of a million things for which I totally depending on you, and I can hardly think of anything for which you were depending on me, and that sucks. With you, it's always what you see is what you get. Your strong character is a pain in the ass sometimes, but that's what I like about you the most. Finally, I played something special to you with a song that has the perfect lyrics to back up what I said so far. So enjoy and enjoy the party. Bye bye.
Renatu
Amazing.
I know.
Great work. Nice video, Sanju.
Thank you, everyone. I didn't expect my 40th birthday to be anywhere this close or anywhere like this. It's pretty overwhelming in an amazing way. And thank you for everyone who contributed. It's amazing. Thank you, guys. I mean, I'm pretty emotional seeing all this. Just love you all. Thanks for making this so special.
Okay, so at this time, anyone,
Have
if
any
you want-
questions?
She's not emotional, right? She got a sense of humor right
Don't
here.
cry, Shraddha. Don't cry.
Yeah, so feel free to mute yourself if you want to share something. I don't want to put anyone on the spot, but if you want to share something, share a story, say something nice about me, feel free to do that.
भाई को 1 रुपए का लिफाफा देना है।
Mayank will present a jadoo.
क्या जादू?
Okay, I
Should I get my cap?
Pension.
कोई मिल गया वाला जादू?
Okay, I see few people.
कोई मिल गया वाला जादू तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
It's getting late, so let's cut the cake before more people drop off. Okay, so see na. Oh, this is me. Okay, so.
हमें तो कहा था छोटी वीडियो बनाना, अपनी तूने इतनी बड़ी बनाई।
Seriously, बन्नी?
नहीं ये सोच के बोल रहा था। लौंडा सोच के बोल रहा था ना।
वो ड्यूल स्क्रीन तभी ली है, एक स्क्रीन पे देख रहा था, एक में बोल रहा था।
Shraddha, so how's feeling?
Can't say in words. It's amazing. Sanju से तो मैंने भी expect किया था. I was not really expecting like.
यार संजू नंबर डैडी।
Okay, cake time. Okay, so I'm going to
cake नहीं दिख रहा।
Come here and yeah, I'll take it. Don't worry.
जल्दी दिखाओ।
Okay, so I'm going
अपने थोड़े देवा हो पारा नहीं बदल में फिरना पड़ा ना कभी कटोरी
केक खाना है? केक मिलेगा भी ऐसे
सारे कैमरे से पहले कर लो। केक
मतलब ये केक काट के आएंगे या कैसे होगा मतलब?
ये कोई और
केक काट के आएंगे और तो कटा हुआ चीज दिखाएंगे फिर।
तो फिर तो हमारा कट जाएगा।
तेरा तो वैसे भी कट रहा है।
यहाँ पर सब है यार, प्लीज कंट्रोल।
बन्नी
अभी तो बड़ी सभ्य भाषा का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं हम।
भाटी नेक्स्ट टाइम से टूर में तो आउट है पक्का।
भैया बैन।
We both are restricted.
Total ban.
लेकिन संजू बोल रहा था आप उससे भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। इवन दो बर्थडे श्रद्धा का है तो संजू इज ओपन फॉर ऑल द क्वेश्चन।
ठीक है। कुलदीप जी, नाइस टू सी यू आफ्टर लॉन्ग।
Same here.
गुड। छोटा मथाना है ये। अरे मथाना बड़ा है ये, छोटा तो वो है।
तो ये वो जरा हाथ दिखाना कुलदीप अपने।
कौन?
रियल ब्रदर है।
बोलने वाला
महिमा
बिन्नी वाली मैच कर ली तुमने?
लग तो रहा है।
सेम साइज।
साइज भी चेक कर लो।
भाटिया तो सही बोल रहा था, केक काट कर ही आएंगे वो।
कहाँ कट कर
ठीक है।
It's preparing.
Okay, great.
मोमबत्ती लगा रहा है।
Mr. Dhawal, nice to see you as well.
दूल्हे
क्या
राजा
स्पेशल
बोलते
था?
हैं। यही दूल्हे राजा बोलते हैं।
दूल्हे राजा हैं ये हमारे। धवल, क्विक क्वेश्चन, तुम्हारे वेडिंग कार्ड में संजू का नाम क्यों नहीं था? यार ये बहुत ही मतलब एक पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चन था which we discussed for months, पर अभी भी डिस्कशन में रहता है ये।
I'm going to remove you if you say another word.
Okay.
ये तूने बर्थडे से पहले कोर्स किया होगा।
गाइस तो संजू का डेथ डे बना रहा है।
ओके भाई, तुम्हारी अनुमति हो तो हैप्पी बर्थडे कर ले।
अरे सर एनी टाइम।
ओके कर लो, जरूर करो।
ओके 1 2 3
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you.
Great.
Don't lick yourself.
Thank you guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I want दारू। ऐसा खाली चेयर्स नहीं बनती।
Hello, Sanju uncle.
Okay, let's go back to the studios.
Happy birthday, Shraddha aunty.
Thank you.
कौन कौन आया?
श्रद्धा दीदी बोलो बेटा।
हैं?
हैप्पी बर्थडे श्रद्धा दीदी ऐसे बोलो।
Okay. Let's go back there. Okay, so that.
Nice decor.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done कुछ नहीं है इसमें।
क्या proud of you, तू अच्छा सीखा।
हमारी तरफ से भी तो सबकी तरफ से खिलाओ ना, केक तो खिलाओ।
बस ज्यादा खिलाया तो।
अरे मेरे लिए थोड़ी बचेगा।
तमीज एकदम ये तो तमीज वाला बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है तो कुछ ना।
अमेज़न से आएगा क्या?
हाँ?
रिटर्न गिफ्ट अमेज़न से आएगा क्या?
हाँ। On its way.
कोविड की वजह से लेट पहुंचेगा वो 2-3 साल बाद।
नहीं हम सैनिटाइज कर लेंगे।
Okay, Shraddha, come back.
अच्छा अब तो मुझे तो हम जाए।
हाँ?
इधर कहीं है।
श्रद्धा।
कहाँ से आवाज आई? कहाँ से? I don't know.
Oh, right.
Your internet connection is unstable.
Yeah, I know. It's all right, I think.
संजू केक तो खिला दो।
खा दिया।
किसको? श्रद्धा को खिला दिया?
मुझको, महिमा को।
महिमा।
Good, thank God.
Bring your own.
मतलब महिमा बोल रही है केक तो दिखा दो एक्चुअली।
खिलाओगे तो हो नहीं।
ओके, उसकी फोटोज आ जाएंगी। फोटोज अभी उसकी हालत खराब हो गई है केक की।
मेरी भी। अच्छा।
और संजू को पैसे ट्रांसफर कर दिया जो तूने अच्छा बोलने के लिए कमेंट किए थे।
तो my job is done. It's open floor. Over to you, Shraddha.
Very good
Happy
job,
birthday,
Sanju. Very good
Shraddha.
job, man.
Thank you everyone. एक तो टाइम निकालने के लिए और इस टाइम पे कई लोगों के लिए आई नो इट्स अ ऑड टाइम. थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग.
तो हमें भेज रही हो अब जाओ. कैसा लग रहा है नए डेकेड में आके?
कुछ लोगों ने बोला इस बारे में सोचना मत. आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट.
वो जो है second 20th birthday.
Yes, that was the best line I liked.
I love that.
Birthday.
20th birthday.
Correct, हाँ. तो नया डेकेड तो हो ही गया ना. अब श्रद्धा बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना. Now you are उल्टा going उल्टा.
I'll do that.
श्रद्धा, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. मेरी कॉल है, मैं जाता हूँ. बाय.
Thank you. Bye.
birthday, Shraddha.
Enjoy. Thanks, guys. Thanks, everyone. It's
तो संजू, अच्छा हुआ कि अनुजा श्रद्धा से बड़ी है, नहीं तो एक्सपेक्टेशन गलत सेट हो जाती.
मेरे 40th पे मैंने कोई ध्यान ही नहीं दिया कि 40th आ गया. इतना तो मैंने श्रद्धा के बर्थडे पे सोचा. भाई 40th
के लिए नहीं सोच रही थी. Now the pressure is on me.
See, I'm doing this for myself, basically.
I know.
that we all know. Dude, chill.
उनको झटका धीरे से लगेगा.
You don't worry, we will give you enough birthday bumps. You won't forget.
जोर का झटका जोरों से लगेगा दवा.
बहुत जोरों से झटका लगा. एकदम शांत भी खामोशी हो गई थी. जैसे वो आई ना, उसको शिट, इसने तो मुझे आउटडू कर दिया. श्रद्धा को करूंगी मैं.
I learned from the best.
ओह,
थैंक यू बोल दे हमें तेरे को आइडिया देने के लिए. You didn't say thank you.
कोविड का गहरा असर हुआ है तेरे ऊपर.
I'm going to score a perfect 100 today.
No, you outdid.
Okay, see now.
चलो, we can go. Happy birthday, Shraddha, once again.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Shraddha, once again. Thank you.
Bye, take care.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday again. Bye.
Thanks, Mom. Bye.
चलो श्रद्धा, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Shraddha Mausi.
Thank you, Myra.
माया खुश हो रही है क्योंकि उसने अपनी क्लास मिस कर दी. तो शी इज वेरी हैप्पी.
हो गई क्या?
हाँ, क्लास ये खुश हो रही है बहुत.
Myra, you come here.
चलो.
But I'm very happy because my birthday is gonna come.
हाँ, कह रही है आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट टुमारो इज माय बर्थडे.
Oh, in minutes.
And you know tomorrow is their anniversary also. चलो तुम लोग enjoy करो. Have a happy birthday. Bye bye.
Thanks, Myra, and thanks to Tushu. Bye.
Bye, Shraddha, Sanju. Enjoy.
Bye, Shraddha.
Bye, Shalu. Thank you so much. तुम्हारी पहले आवाज नहीं
I'll be in touch.
Yes.
Huh?
We'll talk tomorrow.
Yes, we'll definitely talk.
शायद तो
मैं इसलिए म्यूट पे थी क्योंकि मेरी एक और कॉल चल रही थी तो मैंने ज्वाइन कर दिया था. मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर करना था उसमें. तो we'll talk about it. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bye.
Over and out.
Bye, Sumit.
डॉल है क्या?
Bye.
Dhaval, unmute.
बहुत हंस रहे हो, क्या बात है? धवल बहुत हंस रहे हो.
क्या?
हाँ? क्या चल रहा है? Cheers.
और कैसे हो?
हेलो
हम तो बहुत बढ़िया है, तो मतलब वो बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत।
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.